FEC train number 107 meeting up with 218 here in Hyperluxo. The signals display amber over green. That means he's going to be taking the passing track, but he has a full-blown green light through the passing track. So that means he's going around the train. He's going around 218 actually. I thought the meet was going to be in Hyperluxo, but that turned out to be false. There goes the E-Dingers. Tell him. Yeah! 805, 304, and a 3000. Yeah, baby! There goes the bottom end passing us at 12:10. Stay tuned for FEC's 218 as they slide by each other at Villa Rica.